Tintark Cosmetics sent me their Midnight Masquerade eyeshadow palette to review. I'm going to show you how I did this eyeshadow look using this and tell you what I really like about this palette. This is a black spectrum eyeshadow palette, so it has all these dark shades to really give you a good smoky eye, but it also has all these really pretty color families, so you can change it up depending on what you're wearing or your mood. I really love how each color family has its own little separate prism, so it's really easy to tell what shades are going to perfectly coordinate with each other. Today I used these pretty purpley brown shades. To start this look off, I grabbed some of that matte shade from its little prism on a fluffy brush and really worked that into my crease. And then I grabbed the deep shimmer shade on a denser brush and built up the outer corners of my eyes until they were as dark as I wanted. Then I grabbed a fluffy brush again and just buffed out any harsh edges. Next, I took the more shiny, glittery shade right on my finger and just patted that onto the inner corners of my eyes. Then, once again, used that fluffy brush to smooth out any harsh edges. After finishing the rest of my face, this look came out so pretty. I love the way this formula blends and how these shadows wear on my eyes. If you love a smoky eye and you want a palette that's gonna give you tons of options while really making it easy to choose which shades you want to use in the moment, this Midnight Masquerade palette is gonna be a really fun option.